Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and you're watching the channel Atoshi's Edulore English for All. A language has 4 different skills: reading, listening, writing and speaking. A good vocabulary skill helps to improve all these skills. A robust vocabulary can help you to put your thoughts into words effectively. Now, what does vocabulary mean? Vocabulary means a good stock of words. What are the techniques to improve your vocabulary? The best way to improve your vocabulary skill is reading. Reading is an amazing process to improve your vocabulary. Besides that, keeping a note of new words that you come across, finding its meaning and framing it in your own sentence is also very effective. The children are running across the field. The boy ran into the classroom as soon as he saw his principal. Can't I replace the word run over here? Is there any better word that can replace the word run? So in this video, I'll be sharing a few words that can replace the word run. And this is the first video of my series of vocabulary lessons. In every series, in every video, I'll be coming up with some new words that can be used to replace simple words that we use in our day-to-day conversation or while writing. Now, what are the words that can be used to replace the word run? The first word, dash. Dash. Dash means to run or move quickly or suddenly. My mother dashed into the kitchen as she had forgotten that she had put the milk to boil. So when somebody dashes mean that the person runs quickly and suddenly. The next one is race. The word race means to run quickly. The children raced into the classroom to come first. So they had a race and they raced into the classroom. Instead of saying they ran into the classroom, they raced into the classroom to come first. The next one is sprint. Sprint. Sprint means to run quickly but a short distance and to run fast. And the sentence can be, the boy sprinted to the classroom as he was late. The next word is gallop. Gallop is a word which is used to talk about the movement of a horse. But we can also use it to describe the movement of a human being. Gallop means to run quickly and fast. The children galloped across the field. The next one, scurry. Scurry. Scurry means to move fast with short steps. As soon as the boss entered the office, the employees scurried to their seats to walk quickly but with short light steps. The next one, scamper. Scamper. Scamper also mean that to run quickly with short light steps, but it is often described in a playful manner. For example, the children scampered across the playground. Now I have 2 more ways to describe or to tell that somebody runs very fast. First one is, he runs like the wind. Now, when somebody runs very fast, we can say he runs like the wind. For example, I raced with you, but you won the match because you ran like the wind. The next one is, he runs as fast as a cheetah. Here, the person is being described or compared with the speed of a cheetah, which is actually not possible, but it's just a way to compare and say that he runs very fast. For example, Usain Bolt runs as fast as a cheetah. Now let me tell you, the last two examples are called similes. Now the word simile means a poetic device which is used to compare two different things or actions. Now, what is a poetic device? For that you have to stay connected with me, because I'll be coming up with videos on figure of speeches or poetic devices as well. And yes, with this we come to the end of this first video of vocabulary session. I hope you liked it and learned some new words. And yes, out of these words, write down the word that you like the most, and yes, frame your own sentence. Noting the words, framing it in your own sentence is very important if you want to retain them in your mind. So with this, I take a leave. Do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon to stay connected and to get further updates. Thank you.